Christmas from the Heart of the Home by Susan Branch, published in 1990. It is a book that is filled with beautiful illustrations, and it's not easy to read for me, but I really like the way there's art interspersed with the recipes. And I think that a lot of times we get a recipe book and it's just useful and it doesn't have that much art and it's not pleasing. This one is so pleasing. Somebody could be looking through it. It could be a bedtime story. Of course, I don't know if too many children, if they would sleep listening to lists of food and seeing the pictures of what the food might be like when it's done. But I started looking through this book because of the checkerboard in it, because I really like checkerboard. And it is also printed in Canada. Probably it's out of print. I haven't checked. I bought this at a thrift store. I really like it. I've got maybe 15 recipe books, and this is the one that I pick up and look at more often than the other recipe books. It's got a lot of really interesting recipes and a lot of art. And, I hope that the people will find this book. And if not, please enjoy this video. And don't forget that there is a recipe book out there, that is pleasing to children and pleasing to adults that you can just look through. I think this is more of a coffee table book than a book that I would ever use in the kitchen. But anyway, it's a beautiful book. It's got about 130 pages, and the artist is just really took her time and did a great job at illustrating this book. I hope you can find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.